today, we couldn't be bothered. So, we are letting AI make a video instead.
We fed some information into a chatbot engine and asked it to use our channel. We also fed it specific videos to reference, mainly Cinderella lights. This is what we got.
Did you know that Christmas lights, those twinkling symbols of holiday cheer, have a fascinating history, as rich and layered as an old-fashioned fruitcake? Today, we delve into the captivating world of vintage Christmas lights, with a special spotlight on Pifco lights, a beloved brand from the United Kingdom. In the late 19th century, the first Christmas lights were candles, perilously perched on tree branches. The invention of the electric light bulb by Thomas Edison in 1879 paved the way for safer, more festive lighting options. It was Edward H. Johnson, an associate of Edison, who first had the idea to use these newfangled bulbs as Christmas decorations. He hand-wired 80 red, white, and blue lights and wound them around his Christmas tree in 1882, creating the first known electrically illuminated Christmas tree. Fast forward to the early 20th century, where our focus shifts to the United Kingdom. Practical incandescent fairy electric Pifco was established in Manchester in 1900. Initially, Pifco didn't produce Christmas lights. They started with household items like toasters and hairdryers. But by the 1930s, they were manufacturing the first sets of Christmas fairy lights in the UK. Pifco lights were unique in their design and instantly recognizable. Each light was encased in a plastic shape, from lanterns and flowers to Cinderella carriages and animals. These whimsical designs became a staple of British Christmases, and collectors today still seek out these charming vintage sets. By the 1960s, Pifco was a household name for Christmas lights. They continued to innovate, introducing new designs and improving the safety and durability of their lights. However, by the late 1990s, the company had shifted focus away from Christmas lights, and the production of these iconic decorations came to an end. Today, vintage Pifco lights are treasured items for collectors and vintage enthusiasts. Their unique designs evoke a sense of nostalgia and charm, transporting us back to simpler times. But like all vintage items, they require care and maintenance to keep them shining bright. Thankfully, many of the parts, like bulbs and fuses, are still available today, and with a bit of know-how, you can often repair and restore these beautiful lights to their former glory. In summary, Pifco lights have a rich and vibrant history, from their inception in the 1930s to their evolution over time. They are more than just Christmas decorations. They are a part of British cultural heritage, a nostalgic link to the past, and a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of their makers. Whether you're a collector, a vintage enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the warm, festive glow of Christmas lights, the story of Pifco lights reminds us that sometimes the most enchanting things come in small, twinkling packages.
Right then, well, that was interesting. As you could hear, the AI didn't have a clue what it was doing. It actually sounded like it just scraped wiki articles and thought, that'll do. So, can AI make videos to replace us so we can retire into the sun?
Obviously not. See you all next week.
And April Fools.